SOLIDWORKS 2020 adds new functionality that improves performance when analyzing assemblies. You can now use a draft or high-quality mesh per part in the assembly study. This option improves performance, allows for larger studies, and delivers high-quality results quickly where you need them. Bolt and pin connectors have also been improved with SOLIDWORKS 2020, allowing users to select between a rigid or distributed connection type. The new distributed connection option provides improved formulation of the connector, delivering more realistic stress and displacement results, and eliminating hot spots in results at the bolt and nut heads.